Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the automatic changes that fight your game. Go to Display and toggle off Adaptive or Auto Brightness. This prevents OS corrections. Once done, set Screen Timeout to 5 minutes or higher so the display won't dim mid-match. Also, make sure Power Saver and App Battery Optimization are off for your game. The system otherwise scales brightness to save energy. These steps cut the usual culprits, so you can control brightness directly while playing. Once System Auto Adjust is disabled, tune the in-game brightness and HDR settings because games often apply their own curves. You should calibrate with quick settings or a trusted app to reach consistent luminance across menus and gameplay. Make sure to lock screen rotation and, if possible, temporarily disable the ambient light sensor so room lighting won't trigger changes. These actions keep both system and game on the same page, giving you predictable visuals and fewer surprises while you focus on performance. Finally, restart your device to make changes persistent. Some settings need a reboot to apply cleanly. Then run a 10 to 15-minute play test to confirm there are no dimming events or automatic shifts. If brightness still changes, update your GPU or display drivers and verify any manufacturer game optimization profiles are off. As a troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, temporarily create a new user profile or safe mode test to isolate whether an app or system service is causing the auto brightness behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.